Hi friends, how are you? Once again I am here, with the YouTube Earning course lesson number 4. In this video, we learn how to search keyword with Google AdWord, Keyword Planner, and how to create idea for channel name with complete search. So let's start. Open your Google browser and go to AdWord, Key Planner. Here you can see the top of website is AdWord, Key Planner. Open it. Now here you can see, there's all campaign are available. Now go to, here's toolbar menu, go to menu, here you can see in the planning bar, there's Keyword Planner option, open it. The Keyword Planner is open now. Here give your business or website URL keyword. I give you example, for example I write the keyword, I give entertainment, and click on get started. My internet is little bit slower at this time. Now here you see, a lot of keyword are available. You can download the keyword from here. You see here you can change language and also change location. If you have no idea for keyword, like here I type top 10. Here you see a lot of keywords like top 10 movies, top 10 anime. Again I type here top 10, and P. Again see here a lot of keywords like Punjabi songs, PC games, and much more. Now I change the location in Keyword Planner to United States, and I write here the keyword football. Click on Get Started. You see there's keywords are available. These keywords are more than 20,000. You can search from here your keywords. Remember one thing, pick the keywords which are in good standing. In the AdWord Key Planner, there is all kinds of information available about keywords standings, keywords currency, and how many views got the keyword in 1 month, 1 year,